All right, family, welcome back. Listen, I got a quick video for you. For those who want to move their seed phrases from the Trust wallet over into MetaMask or vice versa into any Web3 crypto external wallet, this is the video you need to like, share, subscribe, and forward to a friend. All right? All right. So let's first go over into your Trust wallet, right? So you got your Trust wallet. You already logged in into your Trust wallet. All right, where do you find your seed phrase? First, hit the main wallet, the drop-down icon, and then you're going to click on the three vertical dots for your main wallet. And then for manual, you're going to hit that manual, right? And then once you log in, it says this secret phrase unlocks your wallet. So this is only for your eyes only. You say yes. Trust Wallet does not have access to this key because it's private. And then yes, don't save this in any digital format. Don't take no screenshot, nothing like that. Write it on paper and store securely. And then once you have your pen and your paper, you want to write it down, then you can hit continue. They will give you 12 words. They are a recovery seed phrase. No matter what device, no matter where you are, you can always log back into your account because you have those 12 key word seed phrases. All right. Click continue. You'll see those phrases. Write them down in the right order without any typo. All right. Once you do that, you're good to go. Then the next step would be for you to open up your MetaMask wallet. Once you open up your MetaMask wallet, then you'll be able to hit that account one, and then you want to add account. And then here it says create a new account. Create a new account for Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, whatever, right? What you want to do is import a wallet or account using your secret recovery phrase. Once you click that, it says import secret recovery phrase. And that's where you would add those 12 words you add over in the Trust wallet. Add those 12 words that you wrote down or that you can see from another device. Type them into these in the proper order, right? And then you will continue and then it will lock you in. And then that's it. Once you have done that, for those who want to join XSYNERGY or already in XSYNERGY and trying to, move over to the MetaMask wallet, you just have to hit connect your wallet. Once you hit connect wallet, use your MetaMask. And then you'll see your receive send USDT on the Polygon network address. And then you'll be able to do so, right? And it shows you what your user ID is, how many direct referrals you have, your sponsor's ID, how much you have earned so far in just 2 days in the system, right? So how do you buy more? How do you move from level 1 to level 13? Right now you see I'm at level 5. You only focus on S1, which is Synergy 1, because the company, the AI will replicate S2, Synergy 2, and it will replicate staking for level 5 for you as well. So you don't have to worry about S2, Synergy 2. You don't have to worry about the staking right now. And the staking is based on the level that you're at. I'm at level 5. And it gives you a proportion into the XSYN, which is the token, the native token for XSYNERGY. So your main focus is going to be on S1 Synergy 1 slot package. So click that box and then you'll be able to see, okay, which one are you looking at? You probably already have the 25. If you see upgrade now for level 2, click upgrade. You're already connected to your wallet. But make sure 3 things. Make sure you have enough funds, at least $50 or $100, whatever you're trying to buy. If it's a $50 slot you're trying to buy, make sure you have $50 in your MetaMask wallet as USDT on Polygon. And I have a video on that, how to, how to load up your wallet, how to find the coins in MetaMask or in Trust Wallet, right? All right. And then it will connect to your wallet, right? And then these 3 blocks are for XSYNERGY 1, your 3 direct referrals, all right? And you can always switch over to XSYNERGY 2, where it's a different matrix, right? You see the S2, it becomes S2. It's a different matrix. So they made it easy for you that way. All right. So you can always go back. You can always go back. And then that's it. And then once you have level 2, then level 3 will open up for upgrade. You just hit upgrade. But again, the three things that you need is one, make sure you have enough USDT. So I'm trying to buy the $100 package. Make sure you have at least $100 in your USDT MetaMask account, right? And the other thing too is you got to make sure you have enough Poly coin as toll, right? As fees, right? To use the Polygon network. You got to make sure, I think it's like 10 cents per transaction. Make sure you have enough Poly as well. If that doesn't happen, there's some other troubleshooting you can do. You can just, go from your laptop or your desktop, download the Google Chrome extension, and just make sure everything is one-to-one on your laptop, and maybe that will occur. If everything is like insufficient funds or you're still trying to figure out what to do, you can always go back to your MetaMask and see if it had deducted, let's say, the $100 from your account. If you see the $100 has been deducted from your MetaMask account, that means everything is in process and you don't have to worry about it. This is super, super AI smart, and it will always attribute that $100 from your MetaMask over here. So don't be afraid to refresh or to click upgrade and just continue trying. All right. So that's pretty much it, family. That's pretty much it. We're going all the way to the top to level 13, where there is 102,400. Would be nice if we can double up every week, right? All right, family. So I'm at a $800 level. I'm not gonna hit upgrade now. I need some more fund in my USD account. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and if you want to join, click the code below XSYNERGY with the referral code 339, and send me a text if this has been useful to you. Also, just share with a friend, share with your team. All right. So again, we're just going to focus on XSYNERGY 1. XSYNERGY 2 is a replica, but it shows a different kind of matrix. The company does that for you for free. And then XSYNERGY 3, or the staking, is where you get the coins. And all of these are a portion. The staking is a portion of the level that you're at. So you're at the 25 level, you get like a certain percentage of that. The company gives you that. It's staking. You earn money while staking, right? Something you stake for 360, you get twice the amount of money as the APY. And then if you go up to maybe like slot 4, like a silver package or a gold package, you get that different API. You can learn more pretty much about that, all right? It tells you all these different things, all right? So you can see I started with slot 1, which is like with the $25 package, right? And it shows you everything. I'm in it for 360 days, and it shows you how much I've generated for the XSYN. And then level 2, 360 days, it tells you 12, almost 11.99. And then if you notice for slot 3, it's 298 days. I'm already making 24.10. And then slot 4, it's also 298 days, making $48. And then S5 is 299 days, right? So as you go up the ladder, there's a proportion that goes to your XSYN token that is stake for you. And the higher you go, is the less period or the term of the contract, and it's the higher yield as you continue to go up. All right, family, I'll probably save that for another video, but I hope that makes sense to you. Oh, you can change your Trust wallet into your MetaMask wallet using seed phrases. All right, take care and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and just say if this was helpful to you. Take care. Bye. God bless. Bye-bye.